Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something real close to my heart and my pantry. We're gonna unlock the incredible healing power of everyday ingredients. We're gonna dive deep into 5 powerhouse ingredients: turmeric, ginger, garlic, lemon, and honey. And I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to weave their magic into your daily routine. So, are you ready to transform your kitchen into your own personal wellness sanctuary? Let's get started. Now let's meet our star players, the magnificent 5 ingredients that are about to rock your world: turmeric, ginger, garlic, lemon, and honey. Each one of these humble ingredients packs a powerful punch when it comes to your health. And the best part is, they're probably already hanging out in your kitchen. From fighting inflammation to boosting your immune system, these 5 powerhouses are like the Justice League of your kitchen, ready to swoop in and save the day. So, get ready to transform your kitchen into a health haven with these 5 everyday superheroes. Y'all, let's talk about turmeric. This golden wonder is packed with powerful compounds, with curcumin stealing the show as the lead singer. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, meaning it can help protect your cells from damage and fight off those pesky free radicals. Studies have linked turmeric to a whole range of health benefits, including improved heart health, brain health, and even potential cancer-fighting properties. Now, let's dive a little deeper into turmeric's anti-inflammatory prowess. Turmeric, with curcumin as its trusty sidekick, acts like a firefighter, taming that inflammation and protecting your body from its harmful effects. You can easily incorporate this golden spice into your daily routine through your diet. Add a dash to your smoothies, sprinkle it on your roasted veggies, or stir some into your soups and stews. If you're looking for a natural way to give your immune system a little extra love, turmeric's got your back. Turmeric can help stimulate the production of immune cells, making your body a well-oiled machine when it comes to fighting off infections. Whether you're sipping on turmeric tea, sprinkling it on your food, or taking it in supplement form, this golden spice is a gift from Mother Nature that keeps on giving. Now let's move on to another one of my favorite kitchen heroes, ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries to soothe tummy troubles, and for good reason. It contains amazing compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties. If you're prone to indigestion or heartburn, ginger can be your new best friend. Now you might be thinking, okay, ginger is great for my stomach, but what else you got? This wonder root is also a potent anti-inflammatory, meaning it can help reduce pain and stiffness throughout your body. Ginger is also a natural immune booster, thanks to its high concentration of antioxidants. And if that weren't enough, ginger has also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. One of my all-time favorite ways to enjoy ginger's many benefits is in a warm, soothing cup of ginger tea. To make ginger tea, simply wash and thinly slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, add to a pot with 2 cups of water, bring to a boil, then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea into a mug, add a squeeze of lemon juice and a drizzle of honey for sweetness if desired, and enjoy. Ginger tea can help soothe a sore throat, clear congestion, and boost your immune system. Now y'all know I love my spices, and garlic is right up there at the top of the list. Garlic is a natural powerhouse that's been used for centuries to ward off everything from the common cold to, well, vampires. We're talking about a natural antibiotic, antiviral, and antifungal agent all rolled into one. Garlic is like Mother Nature's own little army, ready to fight off those nasty invaders that can make you sick. Now let's talk about Allison's greatest hits when it comes to your heart. Garlic helps relax and dilate blood vessels, which allows blood to flow more easily and reduces pressure on your arteries. Garlic's blood pressure lowering effects have been shown to be comparable to some conventional medications. Garlic swoops in like a cholesterol-busting superhero, helping to lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol levels. Now, garlic's heart-healthy benefits are nothing short of impressive, but this pungent bulb ain't a one-trick pony. Garlic can help shorten the duration and severity of colds and flu, boost your immune system, and reduce inflammation. You can add it to just about anything. Crush it into your sauces and dips, mince it into your stir-fries and soups, or roast whole bulbs for a mellow caramelized flavor. Garlic supplements are a convenient way to get your daily dose of garlic's goodness without all the fuss. All right, y'all, let's talk about lemons, those bright little bursts of sunshine that can liven up any dish. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that's essential for a healthy immune system, radiant skin, and so much more. Just a squeeze of lemon juice in your water or tea can give your body a much-needed dose of vitamin C, helping to ward off those pesky colds and flus. And if you do happen to get sick, vitamin C can help shorten the duration and severity of your symptoms. Now, one of the simplest and most effective ways to reap the countless benefits of lemons is by incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. That's right, y'all. This humble drink is like a magic elixir for your body, inside and out. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is like giving your body a refreshing wake-up call. It helps to flush out toxins, kickstart your metabolism, and alkalize your body, which can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Plus, it's a great way to stay hydrated, which is essential for every bodily function. And if you're looking to shed a few pounds, lemon water can be your new best friend. Lemons contain pectin, a type of fiber that can help you feel fuller for longer, curbing those pesky cravings and preventing overeating. Plus, lemon water can help boost your metabolism, making it easier to burn calories throughout the day. But the benefits of lemon water don't stop there. This wonder drink can also help freshen your breath, reduce bloating, and even improve your mood. That's because lemons contain essential oils that have mood-boosting properties. So sipping on lemon water can actually make you feel happier and more energized. So there you have it, y'all, lemon water, a simple yet powerful drink that can transform your health and well-being from the inside out. Make it a part of your daily routine and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Now let's talk about honey, nature's liquid gold. This sweet, sticky treat has been prized for centuries for its medicinal properties and for good reason. Honey is a natural antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal agent, making it a powerhouse when it comes to fighting off infections. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and keep you looking and feeling your best. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dr. Oz, honey is sugar. How can it be good for me? And you know what? You're right, honey does contain sugar. But here's the thing, it's not your average everyday sugar. Honey is made up of natural sugars like fructose and glucose, which are absorbed into your bloodstream more slowly than refined sugar, so it won't spike your blood sugar levels. Plus, honey contains a whole host of other beneficial compounds that refined sugar just doesn't have. One of the most well-known uses for honey is as a natural cough suppressant. Studies have shown that honey can be just as effective as over-the-counter cough medicine in relieving coughs, especially in children. And because it's a natural remedy, you don't have to worry about any of those nasty side effects that can come with conventional cough syrups. But honey's benefits go way beyond just soothing coughs. It's also a natural wound healer thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey creates a protective barrier over wounds, preventing infection and promoting faster healing. In fact, honey has been used for centuries to treat burns, ulcers, and other skin wounds. And if you're prone to allergies, honey might just be your new best friend. Local honey contains small amounts of pollen from the area where it was produced. By consuming local honey regularly, you can gradually desensitize your body to those allergens, reducing your allergy symptoms over time. It's like giving your immune system a little bit of a workout, so it's better prepared to handle those pesky allergens when they come around. Sweet relief, honey's soothing power. Now, one of my all-time favorite ways to enjoy honey's many benefits is in a warm, soothing cup of honey lemon tea. It's like a warm hug for your insides, perfect for those chilly evenings or when you're feeling a little under the weather. To make honey lemon tea, simply heat up a cup of water until it's just boiling. Add the juice of half a lemon and a tablespoon of honey to your favorite mug, then pour the hot water over top. Stir everything together until the honey is completely dissolved and enjoy. Honey lemon tea is not only delicious and comforting, but it's also incredibly soothing for a sore throat. Honey coats the throat, providing relief from irritation and inflammation, while lemon helps to break up mucus and soothe congestion. Plus, the vitamin C in lemon can help boost your immune system, giving your body an extra boost to fight off that nasty cold. But honey's soothing power doesn't stop there. It can also be used topically to soothe burns, cuts, and other skin irritations. Simply apply a thin layer of honey to the affected area and cover it with a bandage. Honey's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties will help to reduce pain, prevent infection, and promote faster healing. So there you have it, y'all. Honey, nature's liquid gold. Well, folks, there you have it. 5 incredible ingredients, all hanging out in your kitchen, just waiting to unlock a healthier, happier you. From the vibrant golden hues of turmeric to the sweet, soothing embrace of honey, these natural wonders offer a world of benefits without ever stepping foot in a pharmacy. We've journeyed from the ancient wisdom of traditional medicine to the cutting-edge research that backs up what our ancestors knew all along. Nature holds the key to true well-being. Remember, y'all, your kitchen ain't just a place to whip up delicious meals. It's a treasure trove of natural remedies, a wellness oasis right in your own home. By incorporating these 5 powerhouse ingredients into your daily routine, you're taking control of your health and well-being in a way that's simple, effective, and downright delicious. No need for complicated regimens or expensive supplements, just good old-fashioned natural goodness. So ditch those processed foods and artificial ingredients and embrace the power of nature's bounty. Your body will thank you for it, and your taste buds will be doing a happy dance. Now I know what you're thinking, Dr. Oz, this all sounds great, but I ain't no gourmet chef. I can barely boil water, let alone whip up fancy turmeric lattes and ginger-infused smoothies. And you know what? I hear you. But here's the beauty of these 5 ingredients. They're incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet, even if you're short on time or culinary skills. Sprinkle some turmeric on your eggs in the morning. Add a knob of ginger to your next pot of soup. Roast some veggies with garlic and olive oil. Squeeze some lemon into your water throughout the day. Drizzle some honey on your yogurt or oatmeal. See? Simple, easy, and oh so delicious. And the best part is, you'll be amazed at the flavor these ingredients add to your meals. Turmeric brings a warm, earthy flavor with a hint of pepper. Ginger adds a spicy kick with a touch of sweetness. Garlic delivers a pungent punch that can liven up any dish. Lemon brightens up flavors with its tart, citrusy zest. And honey adds a touch of natural sweetness that's simply irresistible. So y'all, what are you waiting for? Head to your kitchen, open your pantry, and unlock the incredible healing power of turmeric, ginger, garlic, lemon, and honey. Embrace the power of nature's bounty and experience the transformative effects on your health and well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating just one of these ingredients into your daily routine and see how you feel. Then, gradually add in the others as you discover your favorites and find what works best for you. And most importantly, have fun with it. Experiment with different recipes, explore new flavors, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you. And don't forget to share your experiences with me. Leave a comment below and let me know which of these 5 ingredients you're most excited to try, or share your favorite recipes and health tips. Let's create a community of wellness warriors, empowering each other to live our healthiest, happiest lives.